Well, it's April 8th. Going to start here putting some anhydrous and some starter fertilizer down on our corn ground. Our corn that's going to meet the silage. Still a little cool for seeding, I think. I know there is a few farmers that have started seeding, but I'm a little scared to do that. The nights have been cold. I'm going to wait another week. Forecast shows snow coming, cold weather. So the ground temps are marginal for warm. So I'm going to wait a week and then I'll try it. Right or wrong, I don't know. We'll do it anyway. I guess we're on auto calf. In the field putting anhydrous and some dry fertilizer down on our corn ground. I've been messing with this for 2 days and not 100% sure I got it right yet, but it seems to be doing a lot better. But we'll just keep playing with it, and maybe we can have somebody help me figure this out. It does a lot of correcting, more than it should be doing. Stupid heifers. Oh, finally Shane pushing her around. She'll lick on it now, hopefully, instead of beating it up. Heifers are so dumb, huh? Well, there's a lot of calves around here, and we're supposed to get 20 inches of snow tomorrow, or no, not tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tomorrow's Monday, so I don't know. We're just kind of preparing for that. Right now I'm just feeding cows, but we're hoping for that moisture, even though we got, we got a lot of calves. But what do? Do the best you can, and I think we'll be okay. We got enough shelter, we're hoping. So take her from there, one day at a time. Well, hello everyone. I hope your guys' weather is better than ours. This was a son of a gun, 3-day blizzard, and it's finally slowing up a little bit. We're gonna push snow all day today. Talk to you later. trying to get to the hay and to the straw. This is what we got to deal with here. I don't know if we can pick that out. It's ugly out. Dig out hay loader. Well, we finally got in our Quonset, got the other tractor out. Mitchell's over there. Gonna push snow with that. These payloaders, they don't work very good. They got no traction. Going to our front wheel assist tractors, we can get around a lot better. And now we got to put some straw in these barns. They're sopping wet. We've been blessed with only one loss through this blizzard, but I think we're going to have a lot of sick calves, and who knows what's going to happen yet.